Guys, dito na si Gag. Ano,
Welcome to Bemwa.
sakop pa ni sa Davao del Sur, province of but Marilog district, part of Davao City, pero still the province of Davao del Sur. So this area is part of Davao del Sur. Okay guys, tapos na sila. So enjoy sila tanaw sa mga tanong. Okay. Pauli na sa dumi kay maato ni sa Sigal. Binwa Farm. Okay. Humana sila maadto sa farm ug karon manguli na sad mi og adto na sad mi sa Sigal. We have an our barrio Gihing, we have a Sigal one, and dito ating Sigal Marilug. So ako ning mga igsuon, mga paugmangkon, mga apo, mao ni sila. So gipangkapoy ni sila paglaag-laag dito sa garden sa Sigal. Naami dire kay nag-celebrate mi sa birthday sa akong manghod, which is the June 4 bon. Kambal ni sila guys niya. Amo lang isuroy-suroy dire sa Marilug. So mao na among transport. Kamo diyan sila karon. So now pahuway sila kadali, tapos mo padayon mi ngadto sa Sigal kay adto mi mag overnight. So this is
Still part of Davao del Sur.
mo ni akong igsoon si Patbon, which is celebrating his birthday today, the twin ayang ka twin si John. So mo ni among gi-celebrate. Oh John, ikapila nga years anniversary nimo? 61 years old. Okay ni akong umangkon. So pinakagwapa nako.
18 years
So
old.
18 years old.
Dili na available ha.
Akong sister. Og among kuan pinanser mo ni akong pinanser still negotiable, single but still negotiable mo ni pinanser. So we have keep on praying adi pa gyud siya mahalin kay mabangkahan pa mi niya. Whereas kung mahalin ni siya wa na di himi kasuroy dire. Espoko na from Gihing in our place, in this place, Marilog, which is more than 100 kilometers. Wala, it is all part of Davao del Sur, Marilog District, Davao City, province of Davao del Sur.
Hi. There. Up.
Where?
You go
I
up.
want to see it. I want to see it. Me too. Me three. Me four. Me five. Me six. Me seven. Me eight. Kataas ang giraffe ma.
Here.
Kabaw. Kabaw. Kalabaw. Oh, karabaw-baw. Asang pool? Where?
There.
There?
Oh.
Huh?
Where?
Lapa? Where? Asa daw kuya Doy-Doy? Kung mag-like ka. Isang buong gid ka niyan tan.
Oops. Alam!
Tanay? At ligo po daw.
Here, Annabelle. Here. The swimming pool is there.
Wow, kalamig! Kalamig!
Oh!
Wait lang.
Woo!
Dili. Ang malamig!
Ito may isa tumay na
Huh?
Malamig!
Hi, Doy!
Hello. Pulog pa ni hangin na niya.
Ah, katugnaw. Katugnaw.
Ang bagyo, Lord, sobra pa ni na.
Ah. Ah. The big cross.
Di masakto. Isokso yun ang
You put your face there. You put your face.
bila.
Isabel. You put your face. Here. Ah, wait. Okay. Put your face.
Asahan na bila.
Okay.
Asahan si bila.
Seagull Mountain Resort. Okay. Hi, Shika. Oh, another one.
Bila.
Bella. Wait. Okay. This is Isabella. And then Atet. Okay. Belle. Excuse me. Hi. Thank you.
Mountain Resort.
Agoy! Where is the pool? Where is
There,
the
down.
pool? Down?
Puno ito.
Oh, but you cannot
Downstairs! May
yet
But why?
use the pool.
Why?
It's being cleaned.
That's why. I want to be warm and
Good morning mga guys. We are here in Seagull Mountain Resort here in Bukidnon. Our time now is 5:20 a.m. With me is my members of my family. They are already upstairs going up, and this is now the situation here, the environment in this early morning. Look at the surrounding, guys, covered by fog. It's so foggy. So, hello. We will proceed to the big cruise. So, encourage to once experience the coldness in this area. Eh, Ayla room rate dire is 3,000. Good for 5 or 6 person. So, that is only 3,000. So, very nature. Look at the beauty of the nature. Wow, where are you? There's a big pine trees, guys. Well, going down the cross, the big cross. Allen, going down. already here in the big cross. See. The surrounding here. Very nice. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How you feel?
It's so refreshing
Mm.
in this very early morning. Oh, you go there. To take a picture.
I will introduce to you my guys. This is my beautiful daughter, Isabella.
Oldest to young.
Face me, I face.
Isabel, oldest to young.
Daddy.
Hello, Isabella.
Daddy.
And then Kaseka. And then Atia Matit.
Althea.
Althea.
Daddy, face here, Daddy.
Atit, oh. The three beautiful ladies,
Daddy.
my granddaughter. So I will insert.
Oh, picture.
See.
Okay. Uy. Bella.
Yeah.
Ay, atet. Di ka makita, atet. Ano, okay.
Nagirami.
Bella. Masalip lang si Althea, si Bugate.
Daddy.
Dali ka. Colorful kay ko ga.
1, 2, 3, smile.
If I smile.
Again.
Smile, ha?
Smile.
A natural smile ba? Little smile.
Okay. Apel dito dong.
Guys,
Sa taas ka, Lin.
sa brief, ikabit. Okay, akong granddaughter, so jumping jack. Ba.
Nawala.
Okay. Go, jumping jack ko, Len. Jumping jack, Len.
Balik.
Si Aling sa jumping jack.
Daddy, balik na last.
Sige, antiyan, i-jumping lang.
Hello.
Okay. Ay, makakita na taron din sa
Back to our camp. We back to our camp na. See, it's easy for us to go down and very hard to climb.
Center na ko sa pine tree. Dali, Daddy. Kita doa, Daddy. Daddy.
Sige na sila, go.
Kita doa sa. Dali.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So, back to our camp.
Oh.
Okay. It's easy to go down and it's very hard to climb going up. Okay, so we have used this center for the old, so we can have power or
Aka na mo na iuway.
Mo ni uway, yung lawas ani uway man. Ang lawas anak niya bulaya. Mo na gini mong bukag, basket, nigo.
uway.
Oh, mo na siya.
Amo na siya uway.
Mo na uway, katay bawb ba na humok man na.
Abel ako uway is like a bamboo.
Mo na siya katay mo bawb. Mo na siya bawb.
Nga, mugo. Pag gina,
Dong, ali.
go longer gina siya.
Oh, mo na siya. Ligon man na kayo.
Ari, Daddy. Dali na. Ay.
Naman dyan ko kanuna, himoon ko background niyo.
Para doon.
Ano?
Okay.
Lingkod lang, anak.
Sige.
Kan siya. Okay, tayo siya. Okay, go. Back to our camp. We are here in Sigal, Bukidnon Resort, Mountain Resorts. So,
Okay, up.
I'm going to jog up first. No, I am a biker. A biker.
Go.
Muna 45 degrees din, oh.
Ah,
45 degrees.
okay. Face here.
Hello! Yo. Di lang ko mag-on kay.
Maumot.
Maumot.